In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Chromebook back to factory settings. So if you want to go and reset the Chromebook to new, so it's like when you first purchased it out of the box, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and sign out of your Chromebook account. So if you are currently signed in, just go and click on the taskbar in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to this power symbol, and you can just go and press sign out. Now, once you're on the sign-in page, we need to go and press the following keys on our keyboard. You need to press the Control key, the Shift key, and also the Alt key all at the same time. And then while pressing these three buttons, you also need to go and press the letter R as well. So let's do this together now. I'm going to hold down these three buttons, Shift, Control, and Alt, and then I'm just going to press the letter R on my keyboard. Now it will say reset this Chromebook, and you just need to go and click on the restart button. Now that's going to restart your Chromebook, so just wait a couple of seconds. So as you can see here, it will say by resetting your Chromebook, everything's going to be like new, and all of the data on this Chromebook is going to be erased. So just go and click on the Powerwash button at the bottom of this page. You can then go and click on continue, and that's how to factory reset your Chromebook.